You can pay directly online when placing your shipping order. You can choose to pay by FPS, credit card or bank transfer. If you choose FPS, please capture or scan the payment QR code to pay. You can also find this QR code under Payment Info in My Shipment. If you wish to pay by credit card, please select PayPal. This will take you to the PayPal website. If you already have a PayPal account, you can sign in directly. Or click on Pay with a card. If you wish to pay by bank transfer, please select Wire Transfer. The invoice and payment details will be emailed to you. Remember to include the invoice number in the payment remarks. And upload the proof of payment in the payment info of My Shipment. We will confirm your payment within 2 business days.